welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a pasta dough. Real easy pasta dough. Let me bring you in closer and show you how you do this. So I pre-measured out 0-0 flour with this measuring cup, and I took a butter knife and just scraped it across. I didn't pack it in there or nothing. So I got 2 cups of 0-0 flour. But first I've got 2 eggs. I've got 2 teaspoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt, which equals like 1/8 of a teaspoon of just regular white salt. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to whisk that up real quick, like so. Using my 8-quart KitchenAid mixer, and then I'm going to start adding in flour. I'm just gonna put it in there. I know it's gonna take it, and then if I need some white or some more to it, I'll add ice water to it. Let's get it going. Okay, so your goal is to make it to where it becomes into a ball like that. I'm going to let it knead for a minute, and then I'll come back and fry the knead it very long, just enough to where it's all incorporated. I only used a little bit of water. Now, whatever day it is, humidity, whatever, it's going to be how much water you use. And then we're going to put it in a baggie and let it rest. All that dough out of there. It's kind of sticky, but see how the texture is? That's what you want right there. That's how easy it is to make homemade pasta dough. And then I let it rest, sometimes up to a day, sometimes longer. But it's going to rest probably about a couple hours before I get anything ready for it. And you roll it out, and it's so good. Alright everyone, I hope this video helps you to learn how to make homemade pasta. And if you want to see a video of how I roll it out and everything, let me know in the comments below. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Big hugs from my pantry to yours.